Good morning guys, Benny here. Gonna do a bit of car move around. Gonna take the old HQ from over there, put him undercover. My old boy's gonna come and pick this up in the next 2 to 3 weeks anyway, so I have a free spot. But yeah, move it over there, put on some jack stands and start ripping into the suspension, I suppose. Yeah, it'll be just the same as we did the other day, because I still haven't bought another fuel pump, so I have to fill the bowl up in this thing and then we can move it. But yeah, unfortunately working flat out, you know, full time these days, because everyone has to. I haven't had time to really work on this car, and then obviously buying stuff for it, because you know, nothing's free. I need to work out a price list for parts, so I'm going to start doing suspension, arms and all that. Just sort of try and get into it today and work out what we need. But best to have it up on solid ground so I can put it on jack stands. Alright, now that it's running, let's see if I can get it to move. Park it up in there. Okay. This car is a temperamental old girl. I think I need to move that forward a bit more. You dirty dog of a car. You're a bitch. You're a bitch. You know that. As soon as I walk to the door. Well, that was a bit fun. She really doesn't like the cold weather. I mean, it's not that cold, but I mean, I'm wearing a jumper, so. But now that she's here, might put her up on jack stands and see what the suspension needs. Go through bushes. Anyway, thanks, car. Alright, now that it's on jack stands, we'll take the wheels off and start diving into what we're going to need to start making a list for. Alright, so in the front here, no brakes. We're going to need calipers, we're going to need brake hoses, probably do the ball joints. Notice how everything's all crusty. You can see it on that one. Those are crusty, that's crusty. So we're just going to do all the bushes while we're here. And that one in there is crusty. Oh, got some dirt from old Gatton. We're still going to have to grease those up. Don't worry, I didn't forget. Whoa, even the body mounts may need it. That's not going to be fun. I'm trying to assess the rust in here. Oh look, the door. And then as you can tell, put him aside. Or you can not. So we're going to need to take all the seats out and assess how bad that is. But I know the seats are going to have to come out, and all the floors need to be doing anyway. I knew that from the start. Holy sill. Luckily you can buy replacement sills. I mean, is it too far gone? I don't know. Gonna need a axle here. Probably definitely need uppers. Oh yeah, they're gone. Look at this. Yeah, it's completely rotted. Joys. So the diff will have to come out so I can push new bushes in that. Muffler's just chilling there. Gonna need a tank. Cool. Pretty sure this one's completely gone too. There's no another sill that's gone. Hello. Oh, another one that needs a brake caliper. I don't know where the other one of those went. But yeah, I'll start making a list up. I'm gonna start buying some stuff, hey? Not to mention, I'll get a new fuel pump. I'll probably get some more spark plugs. You know, that's not very safe, but it works at the minute, but I want to try and get it done. All in the fun though, I suppose. You can see the ground there. She'd be right. So if anyone knows of any wagon parts, please hit me up, because then I can, you know, especially interior pieces. But as I said, the more you guys watch, the more I can afford to spend on this. Because at the moment, paying off a house and trying to build toys, not exactly cheap. Also trying to juggle a job, kids, house, and this and that. You know, sorry if the videos don't come out as much as I wanted them to, but it's just one of those things. You got to juggle life. Ooh, that's great. Is it too far gone? Maybe. I mean, at least the windows are still in it. I need a rear one. If you know where I can find one in the southeast Queensland region, Brisbane, Sunny Coast area, let me know. Alright, only a short one, just a quick update, because I just don't want you to be waiting too long for videos. Cheers fellas, like and subscribe, and I'll try and keep putting more content out for you.